What's up, man?
What's up, man?
No, go that way. That way. Go ahead. No, go down. Straight.
Okay.
There you go. Delivering. Refrigerator. Huh? Opportunity to be thankful for you, how you living. Some people got it worse, but we help people because we provide something. Look at that, it's cold. No door, no nothing. Ooh. Dang, hold on. This the widest door y'all got here, ain't it?
Yeah.
Go. Is it? You think it'll fit through that, Omar?
I can try to make it.
All right, go ahead. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. Hold on. How you looking? Is it clearing it? Okay, it's good. You ready? 1, 2. All right. Just keep it in the middle. All right. You probably stand it straight up once you get in there.
Yeah.
All right, hold on. All right. Go. One more time. Go ahead. 1, 2. All right. Keep it straight. You got, hey, look. You gotta watch that cord so it don't come off. That's good. Okay.
Dad, did you give him the rest of the money?
He did.
Thank you.
You walk. That cord right here.
Okay.
There you go. Just don't squish it. But everything good. All right.
Yep. Man, you have a good day. Happy New Year to you.
Yep. Nah, you good. Come on.